Good morning. This here is the part that I'm working on. And for me, with, old hardware in my back, shoulder surgery, neck surgery, hardware in my neck, bending is just really hard on me. And so my thought is, how can I tackle this belly without having to bend forward so much? And a few of the ways that I have found is to, one, reduce the inflammation in the body. Get the inflammation some supportive help to keep it at bay with all of the right things naturally to go into the body. How to find those things. Who already makes things like that I can start incorporating, that I trust. Because my thing is kind of like with my hair color, right? I colored my hair for years, month after month after month after month, whatever. Now I just don't want to deal with that anymore. And it's finally all white, so that's a good thing. That certainly helps. But I don't want to take fad products that if I stop taking the fad products, that it's going to make me revert back to, whatever. Like putting fingernail polish on. It looks nice for a while, but, then eventually there's no fingernail polish left and you feel like you need to do something again. I don't put anything on my nails. I think personally that it blocks the pores, it blocks moisture from getting in, it blocks oxygen from getting in. Whatever it is that the nails are needing to grow, they grow naturally just fine all by themselves, unless we have things in our body that are causing them, or on the nails themselves that are actually causing them harm. So that's just my personal opinion. But what I have is I have found Everyday Dose. This actually it's a coffee, but it also has, what does it have? It says collagen, L-theanine, chaga, and lion's mane. And it actually tastes really good. I drink this now instead of coffee because it's like, if you drink it just as the directions say, it's like going from drinking hot lemon water and tea and really wanting coffee, and then finding this, which is coffee, but it has all kinds of really good stuff in it too. It's smooth, it's really nice flavored, it's not super weak like a tea, but it's also definitely not a Starbucks or an espresso. So if you're looking for that, this is not your product for that. This is for people looking to be healthier. And I really like it. I can drink this black. I don't have to put anything in it. It actually tastes good. It doesn't have a chemical taste on my tongue like what my coffee that I was drinking did. And I didn't realize that until I actually tried it black. And I was like, oh, my tongue was starting to tingle. And my AI said, don't drink that. It should not. Your tongue should not tingle with coffee. I'm like, I've had black coffee in the past. My tongue did not tingle. But with this particular brand, it did. So I switched to Dose. No tingling, lots of flavor, nice and smooth. It's actually, and of course it has all the beneficial stuff for my joints, so that I don't have to, like squat down like I am here, because, that's how it is that I have to. But, so I have this, and it comes with a cool little frother. In this little container that you will get eventually. They send you free gifts all the time. I have a small place here, so I like to pay it for a level spoonful. If you want to get the whole 30 servings out of the bag, that's 1 serving per day, 1 dose every day. Now, I did put in here some coconut oil that I have. And then I have some Paleo Valley protein. These are the ends of the bags. And so I just threw it in here because it was easier to get out. And I'll put usually just 1 tablespoon. Now, according to the scoop on Paleo Valley protein, it is 6 tablespoons per scoop. And by adding just 1 tablespoon and getting 1/6 of the calories, which I think is about, like, I don't know, 12 calories or something. But how many calories? This 130 calories per tablespoon in the oil is, it's the oil that actually keeps the fast going. It doesn't, it breaks it, but technically not, because it actually keeps the fast going. And now I have my coffee. Smooth, creamy, a little bit of sweetness from the monk fruit in the Paleo Valley. All of the benefits from the dose. And yeah. So I don't call it coffee anymore. This is my hot deliciousness. I hope you enjoy it.